today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how to properly feel your car tire pressure. I've been noticing this stuff, but most users, car users, they don't really know how to put the right pressure in the car, and they end up like putting too much pressure. So this is the stuff you normally read from. This is from the factory. This shows the recommended tire pressure. Like you see, it's 30 psi. That's front, and the rear is 30 psi, and the spare tire too is 60 psi. So I'm just going to show you just a quick way of just making sure to do that. So in my case, this is a Volkswagen. So I'm just gonna use a snap-on air tool, which allows me to put pressure into the tire, and at the same time get the pressure out to just balance it out, make it even until you achieve the required tire pressure for your car, so this is what I'm going to use. So we'll be using this small gauge right here to make sure that the right pressure has been applied to your car tire. Okay, so I'm going to use this pressure from, I'm just going to release this pipe for me, and then I'm going to open the tire nozzle to let me be able to put in the pressure into the car. So guys, normally it's recommended that once you go to the gas station, normally, because most people fill their tires from the gas station, just make sure that you read properly the recommended tire pressure for the car, so that you don't end up overfilling your tire and making it like your drive to be uncomfortable, So I'm just going to measure this out and check it if it's within the correct required pressure size. So there we go. So if we make a correct reading on this, that means like we fill it correctly to 30. So I don't think we'll do anything with this. We'll just literally just let it be. So you just make sure you go you check all your tires. You don't check one tire, you check all your tires to make sure like all the pressure is in the right amount. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. Please like and subscribe.